guys ever out at the Archer?
Yeah, we were last week. Yeah.
Well, this is last year.
Last year, yeah, probably.
Yeah, you guys look familiar.
Yeah. She's our new helper this year.
All right, we're at the farmer's market. Don's got his hefty bag full.
We got pickles and green beans and peaches and pasta sauce.
All kinds of stuff. Bread and yeah. Yeah, we do good. Cool. All right, we're having some gyoza, which is dumplings, I guess?
Yeah.
Okay. Take a bite. There you go. Slurp, slurp, slurp. Cool. Let me get a little closer to it. Oh, yeah.
Look at this soft egg.
Oh, yum. Okay. Oh, that's cool. And you break it up. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that egg.
Look at that egg in there. Yum. Okay. So we're home from our day in Cheyenne, and we had a pretty good haul from Sam's Club. I've got some things over here. I'll go through more in detail in just a minute. But I did want to show you the meat we got so we can get it in our freezer. We've got some Atlantic salmon salmon with Monterey seasoning. That was a clearance item, so that should probably be a couple meals, I think. Got a 3-pack of bacon. We got some chicken breast tenderloins. Those you can throw out in the freezer. Cool, that's a pretty good sized bag. But we make all kinds of recipes with those. Barbecue chicken, chicken tenders, of course. Chicken fajitas, you know, all the things.
All the chicken things.
All the chicken things. We went ahead and picked up some flank steak. Skirt steak to have. This is good for fajitas, and we're gonna probably split this all up and marinate when we use it. I'm thinking like an overnight marinade of sorts for that. Got a couple creamers because they are way cheaper at Sam's Club for sure. I would say a good $1 a thing cheaper. Yeah. So we got 2 of those. We got some sausages, breakfast sausage. 30 links in here. Pretty good price for that. And then pork chops. We just couldn't pass up the deal on those because, wow, I think it was like $2.98 a pound.
Yeah.
So we went ahead and got those. We'll split those up and put them in the freezer as well. But that concludes the meat part of it. And I will be doing the rest here in just a bit. So here are a few more things we got from Sam's Club. A couple things of Coke. We get the mini Cokes in the 30 count can. And so We like to get stocked up on that. We wanted to try some Boyer's Coffee Espresso for our coffee machine, so that'll be a fun new try. We got some Jet Dry for the dishwasher. Nice big, that'll last a while, nice big bottle. 6-pack of chicken broth. So we'll get that stocked for fall. We'll be doing more soups and stews. Apple Jacks, a 2-pack. Those just sounded really good. And then 8 cans of corn. Again, that'll be good for soups and stews. And then I think you get 4 boxes of quart-sized freezer bags. Always try to get my baggies and those kinds of things there. It's just more like money efficient. So, and then the only other thing we got from Sam's was some toilet paper, Quilted Northern. It's a good deal. Like 20 bucks for, how many do you get? Like quite a few, 32 rolls. So that's a good deal. So hope you enjoyed this Sam's Club haul. There's my boy.
Check it out. I just pulled all the carrots, regardless of what they were.
Okay.
But there are some good ones in there.
Okay. Yeah, we need to start eating them. What's good? All right. We'll clean them up.
And I got...
He was out in the garden doing some weeding.
Pulled up a bunch of radishes.
Oh, nice. We got another tomato.
Yeah, nice tomato and a couple of...
Oh, wow.
They're turning black, so I don't know. Are they supposed to turn red? I think they're green peppers.
Okay, we do that every year. I don't know.
They mislabeled them, possibly.
Okay. Alrighty, so we'll get all this all put away in the pantry. And thanks for joining us on today's Sam's Club haul.
And garden.
And garden.
Did you do the garden stuff or the?
I will be doing the garden stuff pretty soon. And
I mean
the farmer's market stuff in a separate video. Or I may combine them. We'll see.
Once we get all of our veggies cleaned up, you can do them all, the veggies in the garden.
Okay. So we went to the farmer's market when we did our little Cheyenne trip, and it was awesome. We found a lot of stuff. So let me start here. This was a bag you could fill for $15, I believe. So that was a pretty good deal. So Don got a bunch of green chilies and he's gonna roast his own. So we're gonna do those. We got some pickling cucumbers, so I'm gonna make pickles and can some this week. We also got a bunch of green beans. I thought about having them for dinners here and there, but also I want to try pickling some green beans. And then we've got this spaghetti sauce before. This is really good. It's Nona's spaghetti sauce, the puttanesca. So it has like bits of olive in it and capers. So that'll be a meal of sorts. Pasta night. We got some more tomatoes. We are growing tomatoes in our garden, but I wanted a few more so that I can start making some salsa and pico de gallo. They were selling some awesome bread out there, so we picked up this one. What was the flavor of this today?
Dill.
Oh, yeah, dill red onion.
Yeah, red onion.
Oh, no wonder it smells so good. So I'll take you in there for a sweet little sneak peek. Oh yeah, that smells good. And then Don got some of this chili crisp to put on different things. I think we're gonna try it on, she said pizza. Scrambled eggs. Vanilla ice cream even. Which we won't do that, I don't think. Will we? Try it?
I'm going to try it.
You're going to try it?
We got a little bit of that vanilla ice cream left in there.
She said that it's really good on vanilla ice cream. But yeah, you can pretty much put it on anything. Pasta, Yeah. So we're gonna try that. We picked up a few of the peaches and we're just gonna snack on those. Oh, I should make a peach cobbler.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. A friend of mine, hi Melissa, made that on her YouTube channel. So I'll make that. Then of course at the end they were selling kettle corn, so we had to pick up some of that. And that's yummy. We already dug into that. So, and then Dawn was out in the garden and picked us some carrots. So I'll go through those and clean them. A couple of peppers. These little sugar baby tomatoes are yummy. Those are doing good.
Yeah.
And then another tomato. So that's our little garden haul too. So thanks for joining me on this little farmer's market haul. Have a good day. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.